G'day, I'm Bart, and today I'm going to help you get started with the HOTTAP Essentials. In this video, we're going to unpack the HOTTAP box. We're going to look at all the components individually. We're going to put it all together. I'm going to show you how to use it, and then I'm going to show you how to store it away. So let's get started. Inside the HOTTAP Essentials box, we have a user manual, which explains how to set up the HOTTAP and gives you some more information about troubleshooting and stuff like that. We also have some packaging that you can just dispose of. So the first item is the HOTTAP unit. Then we have 2 lightweight feet as a stand. We have some more packaging that we can dispose of. We have the shower hose, shower head, gas hose, we have the shower head holder, and some D-cell batteries. All right, so to set everything up, first things first is we're gonna remove these plastic sleeves. We'll remove this banner sign. And now we're gonna look at the bottom of the HOTTAP. So on the bottom panel of the HOTTAP, we have a battery box, which holds the 2 D-cell batteries. We have a blue water fitting, which is where you plug in your water source, so like the garden tap. We have a red water fitting, which is where you plug in your shower hose. That's where the hot water comes out of. And we have a gas fitting, and this is where you plug in your gas hose. So the first thing that we're gonna do is remove these water blockers. These are just in here for transport from the factory, so you can actually throw these out, you don't need them. We're gonna start off by inserting the 2 D-cell batteries. And on the battery box, you have a diagram that shows you the orientation for how to put the batteries in. So just follow that diagram. When your batteries are in a battery holder, plug it back into the box. And then from here, we're gonna be attaching the shower head to the shower hose. It's good practice to tighten the water fitting. And to do that, you just clamp down on the bottom section of the water fitting, and then with your other hand on the top section of the water fitting, and you screw clockwise until there's no more give, and now your fitting is watertight. When setting up your shower head for the first time, you just want to make sure that you plug the shower head into the direction of the arrow. And then plugging the shower hose into the red fitting on the HOTTAP, and plug it in until you hear a click. And then we're gonna plug in the garden hose into the blue fitting. So here's one that I prepared earlier. Again, until we get that click. And then we're gonna plug in our gas hose into the HOTTAP. There we go. And now we just need to install the lightweight feet. So the lightweight feet have these 2 grooves, which insert into the bottom panel of the HOTTAP. And then we just thumb screw it in. All right, and then the next feet. All right, and now let's lift up the HOTTAP. Bring everything out to the side. There we go. And just to neaten things up a little bit, I'm gonna get the shower head and then it's attached to the HOTTAP. The HOTTAP actually includes 2 sections of red hose. You have a longer section and then a shorter section. And typically you'd use the longer section when you're just, showering up or just doing regular things with the HOTTAP. But if you have a shower tent and you want to have a nice shower experience, you could actually get the shorter section of hose, detach the shower head from the switch, and then you can just connect this in between. Use one of the couplers. And now if you're running this into your shower tent, you actually have the switch. You can put it at hip height, and then you can have the shower head above your head. We then plug in the gas hose into a gas bottle. All right. Now, it's a good thing to get a bottle of soapy water and spray it on this gas fitting. Just to check if there are any bubbles. And if you see any bubbles, it just means that there's a bit of gas escaping from the line. So you open up the gas bottle, spray on the fitting for the gas, spray on the fitting for the connection to the HOTTAP. And if there's no bubbles present, then you're good to go. All right, now that everything is plugged in and ready to go, I've turned on my garden tap. So I've got pressurized water coming into my HOTTAP. And to turn the hot tap on, I just need to flick on the shower switch and water will start flowing and the hot tap will just turn on. So from here, if I want to control my water temperature, or if I just want to reduce the water flow because I'm being conservative with my water source, you can adjust the temperature or the water flow using these dials on the front of the hot tap. The blue dial is to control the water flow and the red dial is to control the gas flow. So if I want to get a hot temperature, I will turn my dial all the way to the left and I will increase my gas. So this setting basically slows the water right down and it pumps in the most gas. And this is going to be my max temperature of water. So it's actually getting nice and hot now. And if this is too hot for me, so on a 40-degree day, if I just want to have a shower that's not so hot, I can turn the gas down and I can increase my water flow, which essentially means I speed up my water, I turn the gas right down, and now it's not going to be as hot. And when you're done and you're ready to go and do something else, just turn off the shower switch. The shower head will leak for a little bit as the excess water comes out of the shower head. You can kind of shake it a bit. Now that we're done and we want to put the hot tap into storage, the main thing that we want to do is we want to drain the water out of the hot tap. So if you live in an area where it might drop below zero, if it's like winter, during the night or even during the day, you want to get all the water out of the hot tap so it doesn't freeze and then expand and then crack the pipes. So to do that, we just need to unplug all the hoses. So the water hose, and like you can just see, you'll have a bit of water dripping out of the hot tap. Just let it drip out until everything's out. And you can either get the hot tap like this and just plonk it inside your garage, so you want to leave it out of the rain, or you can actually get the optional HOTTAP bag and you can store everything inside the bag. I'm going to show you how to do that. So put the gas hose away into the side compartment here. We'll put both sections of the shower hose away into that same side compartment. We'll put the shower head and holder into this side compartment. Then we'll just remove the feet. We'll put the hot tap into this main compartment and we'll have it facing in. And then we'll pop the feet into this main hot tap compartment as well. And then from there we can just zip it all up. And you can put it in your garage. So make yourself at home.